Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we're going to be giving you a tool walkthrough of this Milwaukee 1/4-inch impact driver. This is the brushless model, model number 2850-20. So we're just going to be showing you the tool features of this and how to properly use it. So the first thing we'll start off with is how to remove and reinstall the battery. So you can see these two buttons right here. You just push these in, pull straight out to remove the battery, and then to reinstall it you just want to line up these grooves with these and then just slide in until you hear a click. And you can see this is the battery indicator light. If you press this, it tells you how much battery you have left. You can see we have a full charge. And then working our way up the tool, we have our belt clip, and this can be taken off and switched over here if you're a lefty or if you like carrying your tool on the left side. And then here's our trigger, and this is our forward and reverse and our lock. So you could see when this button is halfway between forward and reverse, you could pull the trigger and it's not going to depress, it's not going to turn on. So that's your safety mechanism. And then if you want to go forward, you press that button in, it goes forward. If you want to go reverse, you press this button in, it goes in reverse. And then you could see when you pull the trigger, this light comes on, which is nice. Now I'll show you how to properly remove a bit. So to do that, you're just going to want to press up on this, take it out, and then to reinstall, same exact thing. Pull up on the ring, insert your bit, press down, and you can see it's locked in place, not going anywhere. This tool doesn't have any different speeds. My DeWalt driver that I use pretty much every day, that has 3 speeds that you would change right here. This is just a single speed, but it seems like it has a lot of power. This is brand new. I haven't really tested it yet, but be sure to subscribe to the channel because I'm going to be putting this up against my DeWalt brushless to see how the two tools compare. I know that, you know, a lot of people like DeWalt, a lot of people like Milwaukee, and whoever likes Milwaukee likes to make fun of DeWalt and vice versa. So I figured it'd be a good test to put these two brushless drivers up against each other just to see, you know, which one's more powerful, which one's smoother, and just, you know, which one I kind of like better. Try to do a unbiased review, even though I am a DeWalt guy. It's just, I've had DeWalt forever, so I have all the batteries for it, and, you know, it's just what I'm used to, but doesn't mean that it's better. So yeah, guys, be sure to subscribe. Also, I'll leave a link in the description on where you could buy this tool. So if you're interested in buying it, you could check out that link and it'll take you right to this tool. But yeah, guys, otherwise, you know, check out the channel. Be sure to subscribe and watch all my other videos. I have a bunch of tool reviews. Otherwise, yeah, be sure to like, comment on this video if you enjoyed it. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.